Craig, narrow escape.
Yeah, we got there in the end. We got there in the end. Obviously, when you concede a goal like we conceded after 3-4 minutes, whatever it was, and in all fairness to Newtown, they defended really well, put their bodies on the line, they worked really hard. Obviously, Callum's come here with a really good plan, defensive plan, and it was working, wasn't it, until the last 15-20 minutes, and unfortunately we get the opportunity to get an equaliser early on in the second half, and then a winner near the end.
Listen, disappointed obviously to lose the game, but really proud of my boys today. I thought they were absolutely, to a man, fantastic. 4 senior players out at the start of the game, bit of a patched up team, players playing through knocks at the start of the game as well, and they gave me everything they had today, and that's what I asked of them. There's been some criticism over the last few weeks, rightly so in some cases, and I thought that looked like a Newtown team today, a Newtown team that I remember, and that's my biggest plus.
3 points at the end of the day. That's what we're here to do, get 3 points, and it wasn't the prettiest game in the world. I know, probably didn't play our best, especially in the first half, but we got the result at the end. That's all that matters.
And the spirit, the togetherness, the camaraderie throughout, as you say.
Yeah, and that's what's got us through the last 10 years. Qualifications for Europe, top 6 finishes. At times in and around the relegation zone, it's always been at Newtown. We're a family club, but we stick together. When the going gets tough, we pull together, and that's what they did today. And I just wish we'd got that draw. Jace had a great chance at the end there to nick it 2-1, and then obviously he's off the pitch at the time where they've scored their winner, which was frustrating. But as I said, disappointed to lose the game, but really proud of the players.
Callum's got lots of experience. He's a very good coach. He's got some really good players there. They're probably obviously I think they're in a false position when you look at the players that they've got. They're disposable. They've got lots of players there that are got experience in Europe. Playoffs, top end of the table. So they've just found themselves in this position. And with the organisation, and the endeavour, and the hard work, and and the togetherness there, then they've pushed right to the end.
We weren't at our best today by any stretch of imagination. But it's 3 points, we grafted it out. Some games are like that, most of the time we're dominating games. This season it's been a bit more difficult, but we've got there in the end.
I'm really proud of the players today. If we can take that same commitment, endeavour, organisation, work rate, attitude into phase 2, we'll be all right.